Hello and welcome to Sahyog 11 Plus Help Club Solution videos. In this video, we will review a subset of questions on MR04Y5 paper. Let us look at our first sum, that is sum number 43. Here a rectangular plot has an area of 72 square meters. Its length is twice its breadth. What is the cost of fencing the plot at the rate of 20 pence every meter? So the area is 72. The width, we can take the width as x, and length here can be 2x, as it has been said that the length is twice the breadth. So that is the reason why it is 2x. So therefore W multiplied by L gives us 72, because the plot has an area. So the area of it is 72. So the formula of area is length into breadth. That is what we have done here, which if we put the values in place, we get 2x square is equal to 72. Now dividing both sides by 2, we get 36. So x square is equal to 72 by 2, which we cancel, we get a 36 right here. X square is equal to 36. Therefore x is equal to root over 36, which is equal to 6 right here. So the value of x we have gotten is 6. X is 6. Therefore the width here, now the value of width is 6 meters. The length is twice the 6, which is 12 meters, and the perimeter is equal to 2 into 12 plus 6 is equal to 36 meters. Therefore the cost, now in order to find the cost, what we do is we do 20 into 36 pence is equal to 720 pence, which is equal to 7 pounds 20 pence. This is our answer for question number 43. Looking at our next sum, that is sum number 39. The figure shows an equilateral triangle. Equilateral means equal on all the sides. So it is an equilateral triangle and we need to find the value of x and y. So in order to solve this sum, what we do is we write 4x plus 5 is equal to 21. Now 4x is equal to 21 minus 5, which is 4x is equal to 16. Therefore x is equal to 16 by 4, which is 4. So now we get 4, and then now we solve the second equation, that is 3y minus 3 is equal to 21. Now 3y is equal to 21 plus 3. 3y is equal to 24. Therefore y is equal to 24 divided by 3. If we cancel this off, we get 8. So now the value of x and y is known to us. So x or y, so now x or y is equal to 4 by 8. 4 here and by 8 here, which if we divide and reduce it to their lowest terms, we will get, dividing it by 2 or dividing it by 4, we will get 1 by 2, which is half. And this is our answer for question number 39. Looking at our next question, that is sum number 40. So here we need to find the area of the shaded part. So let us look at what the figure is. So the figure here is given this. So now in order to find this is a trapezium. So this is the shaded part and we need to find the area of this part. So the area of trapezium, what is the formula? The area of a trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides. sum of parallel sides, which is multiplied by the height into height. So now if you put the values in places, what we get it as? So now half sum of the parallel sides, so these are the parallel sides, so it will be 25 plus 34 into height is 28. Now we solve it, so 25 plus 34, we get a 9 and a 5 here, and half, multiply and multiply 28. Now we cancel this, we get a 14. Now after multiplying 59 with 14, we will get it as 826 square centimeters. Now the area of the rectangle. Now we have to find the area of the rectangle, which we move towards the further side of the board. Now the area of our rectangle is equal to 25 into 28, which is equal to 700 square centimeters. Now the area, therefore the area of the shaded portion will therefore be is equal to 826 minus 700. The 826 from here and the 700 from here. So 826 minus 700, which is equal to 126 square centimeters. So this right here is our answer for sum number 40. Looking at our next sum, that is sum number 38. The perimeter of the rectangular playground is 98 centimeters. So the perimeter of this here, right here, is 98 centimeter. Its width is 19 centimeter. First, what we will be doing is the length plus the width, which is equal to half of the perimeter, which is equal to 98 divided by 2 equal to 49 meters. The width is equal to 19 as mentioned, 19 meters, and L is equal to 49 minus the 19, which is equal to 30 meters. Therefore the area is 30 into 19, which is equal to 570 meters square. Therefore the area of the rectangle, area of the triangle, the area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height, which now if we put the values in places, we get it as half into 30 into 26. After doing some cancellations, we get 15 multiplied by 26, which is 390 meters square. So now we have to find the total area. So the total area is equal to 570 plus 390 is equal to 960 meter square. This is our answer for question number 38. Looking at our next question, that is question number 36. The rectangle measuring 5 cm by 4 cm overlaps the other rectangle measuring 7 cm by 6.5 cm. The region shaded in grey has an area of 15.5 cm square. What is the area of the black region? So the area of the white portion, is equal to 4 into 5 minus 15.5 is equal to 4.5 centimeter square, and the area of the black portion is equal to 7 into 6.5 minus 4.5, which is equal to 41 centimeters square. So this is just finding out the area of the black portion, which is by multiplying this with this and by subtracting it from the area of the white portion, as it has been overlapped by the grey portion. Okay, now moving on to our next sum, that is sum number 25. The temperature of a certain place started rising from noon at the rate of 1.2 degrees per hour. It continued to rise at the same rate for 3 hours. After that, the temperature fell 2 degrees every hour for 4 hours and became 17 degrees. What was the temperature at noon? So now this might seem a bit confusing while reading, but after giving it a reading of 2 to 3 times, it will be easier for us to solve. So in order to solve this sum, what we need to do is, we'll have it x plus 1.2 into 3 minus 2 into 4 is equal to 17. So after 4 hours it became 17 degrees Celsius. So this 17 came right here. It is 2 degrees every 4 hours. So 2 multiplied by 4, and it was 1.2 degrees every 3 hours. So this one. So at a certain place started from raining. So what was the temperature at noon? So let the temperature at noon be x. That is what we have considered x to be. So now if we solve for x, we will get x plus 3.6 minus 8 is equal to 17. X minus 4.4 is equal to 17. Now adding 4.4 to both the sides of the equation, we get what? X is equal to 17 plus 4.4, which is equal to 21.4 degrees Celsius. So the temperature at noon will be 21.4 degrees Celsius. So this is our answer for question number 25 here. Looking at our next sum, Chris usually jogs a total distance of 8 miles in 50 minutes every time. On one such jog, he stops for the rest. He takes a rest of 6 minutes after running for 8.64 miles at his usual speed. How fast should he run in miles per hour to be back home at the usual time? So in this question, what we need to do is, the speed is equal to 18 by 50 miles per minute. So it is miles per minute, which is equal to 0.36 miles per minute. The time taken to run is, now the time taken to run is equal to 8.64 divided by 0.36 minutes, which is equal to 24 minutes. So now the remaining time is equal to 50 minus 24 minus 6. Now 15 minus 24 minus 6, which gives us 20 minutes. After that, the remaining distance. This we found out the remaining time. Now we need to find out the remaining distance for the same. It will be 18 minus 8.64, which is equal to 9.36 miles. The required speed is equal to 9.36 divided by 20 miles per minute is equal to 0.468 miles per minute. For in 1 hour, 0.468 into 60 miles is equal to, will give us 28.08 miles per hour. So this is our answer. This much time he will take to cover up his run, or as mentioned in the question, that how fast should he run in miles per hour to be home by the usual time. So this fast he should be running to reach home on the usual time. Looking at the next sum, that is sum number 1. So complete the output table for the following function machine. So here what do we have to do? All we need to do is we need to complete the output table right here. So A is equal to 1 into 2 minus 4.5. So therefore for A we will be doing 1 multiplied by 2 minus 4.5, which is equal to minus 2.5. For B it will be equal to 2 into 2 minus 4.5, which is equal to minus 0.5. So for A the values will be A is equal to minus 2.5 and B is equal to minus 0.5. Now looking at our next one, that is B. For B here C is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 minus 4.5 is equal to 1.5, and then D is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 minus 4.5 is equal to 3.5. So the values for C and D are 1.5 and 3.5. Now looking at our last one, that is C. For here it will be E is equal to 5 into 2 minus 4.5, which is equal to 5.5, and F is equal to 6 multiplied by 2 minus 4.5, which is equal to 7.5. So now writing down the values for C right here, which is 5.5 and 7.5. So these are the values for the respective subparts under the sum 1 right here. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe Sahyog 11 Plus Help Club YouTube channel for future videos.